In this video, I will show you how to install Free Fire Max application to your Android TV. This is very easy, and also subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you've been looking to install the Free Fire Max application to your Android TV, this is what you can do. Now, if you don't have Play Store, this is what you should use. You are going to use an intermediary application called Downloader, and it's a very useful application for those of you who don't have Google Play Store installed to your Android TV. So if you don't have Downloader on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to guide you on how to install Downloader to your Android TV. So after installing Downloader to your Android TV, you launch it, and this is how it looks like. So Downloader helps you install anything from across the web to your Android TV. Can be apps, can be APKs, can be medias, can be files. All you have to do is to come over to this search box here and type in what you're looking for. So once you type in what you're looking for, just go ahead and search. And Downloader is going to show you the exact source on the internet where you can install that particular APK to your Android TV. And as you can see on my screen here, here's the right APK that I want to install to our Android TV. So we just have to come over here and click on that, and it's going to lead us to the install button to our Android TV. So just scroll down here and then you can install the application to your Android TV. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.